Once upon a time, in the quiet, leafy town of Maplewood, a peculiar event took place that shook the sleepy community. The heart of the stir? A little orange tabby cat named Mr. Sniffles. Every morning, when the first rays of sunlight streamed through the windows, Mr. Sniffles would vanish from his home and embark on an adventure, only to return at dusk, tired but content. His owners, the Smith family, were always curious about Mr. Sniffles' daily exploits, but never got more than an affectionate purr as an answer. One day, the youngest Smith, Lucy, decided to solve the mystery. She attached a tiny camera to Mr. Sniffles' collar and let him roam free. The family waited in anticipation, eager to discover the secrets of Mr. Sniffles' adventures. When the sun set and Mr. Sniffles returned home, they gathered around their television to watch the footage. What they saw was beyond anyone's wildest imaginations. Mr. Sniffles wasn't just wandering aimlessly. He was a hero in the realm of animals. He had saved a nest of baby birds from a marauding crow, helped a little hedgehog cross a busy street, and even performed a delicate operation to free a squirrel stuck in a discarded soda can. The pinnacle of his daring feats? A face-off with a fearsome raccoon, with Mr. Sniffles emerging victorious, defending the town's community garden. The Smiths were astonished. Their quiet, cuddly Mr. Sniffles was a superhero, a guardian of the town's animals. Lucy uploaded the footage to YouTube, and within hours, it had gone viral. Mr. Sniffles became a sensation overnight, his heroic deeds admired worldwide. From that day forward, Mr. Sniffles was not just a cat. He was the protector of Maplewood, the guardian of the garden, and the friend of every creature in need. His quiet dignity and courage reminded everyone that heroes come in all shapes and sizes, even as an orange tabby cat.